Now I am going to explain about redox reactions. Students, listen. First of all, before going to redox reactions, we should cover some concepts. So, what is meant by oxidation and what is meant by reduction? Based on these two concepts, we have to enter into the top redox reactions. First, listen. Oxidation means loss of electrons is called as oxidations. Removal of electrons in chemical, removal of electrons, oxidation reaction. Addition of electronegativity elements is called oxidation. Removal of electropositive elements is called as oxidation reactions. Removal of electrons is also known as oxidation reactions. So these are the points or statements which are related to the top of oxidations. Now what is meant by redox reactions? Now here redox reactions means gaining of electrons is known as redox reactions. Addition of electropositive elements is also called as redox reactions, and removal of electronegativity elements also known as redox reactions. So these are the points which are related to that redox concept. Now here our statement is the redox reactions. Redox reaction means oxidation reaction is followed by reduction reaction. Reduction reaction is followed by oxidation reaction simultaneously. Such type of reactions are called as redox reactions. Okay, students. Okay. Once again, oxidation reaction is followed by reduction reaction simultaneously, or reduction reaction is followed by that oxidation reaction is also known as redox reactions. Now here, redox reaction is a type of chemical reaction. Okay, redox reaction is a type of chemical reaction which involves the transfer of electrons in between two species is called as redox reactions. Okay, students. Now here, redox reaction is a type of chemical reactions which involves the transfer of electrons in between the two species is called as redox reactions. In a redox reaction, oxidation number of a atom or oxidation number of a molecule or oxidation number of a ion should be changes by loss of electrons, or it may be gaining of electrons. Okay, students. Now once again, now that means oxidation number of a atom or oxidation number of a element or oxidation number of a ion is changed by the loss of electrons, or maybe gaining of electrons is called as redox reactions. So for the purpose we want to take one example. Now here, so first of all you should take the 2F and next one is the H2 gives rise to, now that is the 2 moles of HF. So this is the one of the best compound or best example for to describe that oxidation reduction reactions or redox reactions. Now listen, students, here we have to take take as a Fe, okay, iron, okay, not iron, sorry. Now here we have to take an F atom, that means fluorine, and which is react with H2 hydrogen gives rise to 2 moles of HF. So in this case, or in this redox reaction, actually fluorine is the more electronegative element. Okay, now this one is the more electronegative element. Now in case of fluorine, more electronegative elements means the tendency of an atom which gain the electron is called as the electronegativity character. Now here, the tendency of atom which lose the electrons is known as an electropositive element. So in this case, or in this reaction, fluorine get the electrons and the hydrogen lose the electrons. Okay, now that means fluorine gain the electrons and next one the hydrogen loses the electrons. So electrons are shifted from the hydrogen atom to fluorine atom, then which is converted into the 2 moles of HF molecule. Okay, students. Now it is the best example for that redox reaction. Now in the completion of this reaction, it undergoes to that of oxidation, Now that means it undergoes to that of oxidation, and it should be the reduction. Reduction reaction is followed by oxidation during the chemical reaction. Such type of reactions are called as redox reactions. Okay, students. Now the next one is the based on that reactivity of reactions, or based on that reactivity of that elements. Now the redox reactions are classified into that several types. Okay, students. First of all, we want to discuss one by one. Okay, now, which type of redox reactions will be takes place in chemical reactions. Now first of all, first reaction is the combination reaction, students. Okay, now first one is now here first reaction is the combination reactions. Okay, first type. And second one is the decomposition reaction. Okay, students. Now this one is the decomposition reactions. Okay, this is the decomposition reactions. And the third one is the displacement reactions, students. Okay, next one is the displacement reactions. And the fourth one is double displacement reaction. Okay, double displacement reactions. Okay, students. Now here, now it is the double displacement reactions. And fifth one is the disproportionation reaction. Now here this one is okay, students. Disproportionation reaction. Okay, now this is the fifth type of chemical reaction. Disproportionation reaction. And here sixth one is the auto-oxidation reaction. Okay, students. Now this is the auto-oxidation reaction. Okay, now friends, what is the auto-oxidation reaction? And seventh one is intermolecular redox reaction. Okay, now seventh one is the now that is intermolecular redox reaction. Okay, friends, intermolecular redox reactions. And next one is the intramolecular redox reactions. Okay, now this one is the intramolecular, okay, students, redox reaction. Okay, intramolecular redox reaction. And last one is the now that is comproportionation reaction. And now these are the types. Okay, comproportionation reaction. Comproportionation, okay, students, reactions. So these are the types of reactions in that redox reactions. Okay, concept. So first one is the combination reactions, and the second one is the decomposition reactions, and next one is the displacement reactions, and here double displacement reaction, disproportionation reaction, auto-oxidation reaction, intermolecular redox reaction, and intramolecular redox reactions, and last one is the comproportionation reaction. Okay, students, I hope you should write down. You have to note down these points. Now the types of chemical reactions are types of redox reaction, not chemical reactions, redox reactions. So first of all, first one is the combination reactions, and decomposition reactions, displacement reactions, double displacement reactions, and disproportionation reactions, and next the auto-oxidation reaction, intermolecular redox reactions, and next one the intramolecular redox reactions, and last one is the comproportionation reactions. Okay, students. Now here, first of all, we want to discuss about combination reaction. Okay, students. First one is the combination reaction. So first of all, what is meant by combination reaction? Now in this chemical reaction or in this combination reaction, in this process, the elements which are combined to form single product. Okay, students. Now that means in this process, two or more reactants are participating in that combination. Then it should be formed that single product. Such type of reactions are called as okay. Such type of reactions are called as combination reactions. Now one more point, students, here. Now you have to remember that point. All combustion reactions, comes under combination reactions. Now I will write that examples for that combination reactions. Now the first reaction is you have to take that carbon, visible all of it. Okay, now you have to take carbon, and which is react with the oxygen. Okay, gives rise to, now that is the CO2 gas, friends. Now actually carbon is react with oxygen in heating, okay, in the form of a graphite. And now this one is the gas, okay. Now the carbon or graphite solid is heated with oxygen, and it should use that carbon dioxide gas. So this is the best example for that combination reactions. Now according to our concept combination reaction here, now the two or more components, two or more elements combined to form, it produces a single product. Okay students, now it is called as a combination reaction. Now one more example, we have to take that next one is the, for example, magnesium, okay, and reacts with N2 gas, gives rise to magnesium nitride. Okay students, now that means excessive, that means when the magnesium is reacted with N2 gas gives rise to magnesium nitride. So this is the one type of combination reaction. Okay students, and the next reaction is the 6 moles of lithium is react with N2 gas gives rise to, okay students, that is the 2 moles of lithium nitride product. Okay students, so these are also examples for that combination reaction. Okay, excuse me, I will rough this side, so I need some place, so for that purpose I have to rough here. Okay students, I will write later for our convenience. Okay. Okay now, once again these are the fifth statement, disproportionate reaction, and here sixth one is the auto reduction. Okay students, auto oxidation reaction. Okay, this one is the auto oxidation reaction, and seventh one is okay students, intermolecular redox reaction, and eighth one is the intramolecular redox reaction, and the ninth one is the comproportionation reaction students. Okay, once again, combination reactions, decomposition reactions, displacement reactions, double displacement reactions, disproportionation reactions, auto oxidation reactions, intermolecular redox reactions, intramolecular redox reactions, and comproportionation redox reactions. Now these are the statements or equations for that combination reactions. Okay students, already I taught to you just now, combination means two or more elements combined to form a single product. Okay, now here carbon combined with oxygen to give the carbon dioxide, magnesium combined with nitrogen gives rise to magnesium nitride, lithium is combined with N2 gives rise to lithium nitride. And one more example is the here, I will add another example. Now that is the CH4 molecule, methane molecule is combined with O2 gives rise to, that is carbon dioxide, and next the 2 moles of water. Okay students, so this is also, that means this reaction also comes under combination reaction type. So these are the first type of category students. Okay, it will be clear. Now I will discuss about that second type of reactions. What is the second type here? Decomposition reactions. What is meant by decomposition reactions here? Decomposition reaction means single compound which is dissociated into, okay, dissociated into simpler ions, or it may be new compounds. Such type of reactions are called as decomposition reactions. Okay students, once again, actually now the decomposition reaction is the purely absolutely opposite to that of combination reaction. In case of combination, we are adding the elements to each other, but in this case we are decompose that molecule to into ion or molecules to into elements. Okay, now that is the such type of reaction called as decomposition reactions. Okay students, now first of all, in case of second category decomposition reactions, I want to take the 2 to 3 more examples students. Now first of all, I will take that 2 moles of water, okay students, which is decomposed into that how it is decomposed here. Now that means it should give that H2 gas and next the O2 molecule. So in the decomposition reaction, one of the product must be in elemental state. You should remember that thing students. Okay, now this is the important, this is the different type of statement about the decomposition reaction. Now what I am saying here, so in these products After completion of the decomposition reaction, in these products, one of the products must be in elemental state. So that is called as comes under decomposition reaction. Now I want to take one more example, students. Now I have to take in sodium hydride NaH. Now here what happens, friends? Now when it is undergoes the decomposition, it should use the 2 moles of Na plus H2 gas is evolved. Okay, students, H2 gas is evolved. So next one is the okay, students. Next one is the what about next student? Now 2 moles of NaH gives us metal hydride, which is dissociated into Na atoms, and next the 2 moles of H2 gas is liberated, and we should